thank all the amazing educators taking part in the first ever Winter Pathfinders Institute.
So we're here trying something completely new. Some people thought we were crazy, that teachers were going to come from across the country to Rhode Island in the winter. There are over 250 of you who decided to come to Providence.
I'm from Oklahoma City.
Davis, California.
Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
Spend time getting to know one another.
I'm from Nashville, Tennessee.
Brooklyn, New York.
This is about charting new paths and new futures together.
This is my second time doing the Maker Educator Boot Camp.
There was so much to learn during summer, so we're back for winter.
This is where I belong.
And I'm so excited.
At the end of 3 days, I expect teachers will be able to walk out with a very clear plan about how they're going to be able to integrate making and coding into their classrooms. Today is really a deep dive into tech.
So dream big tonight, dream big tomorrow.
Booyah! Let's go!
Really a lot happens in the few days that we are together. We build these bonds of trust.
I wouldn't consider myself a coder, and I felt a lot of collaboration with my table mates.
And it's through those bonds of trust that we take risks together with computer science education.
You'll get this button if you solve this first challenge.
The idea always has been is that if we can reach the teachers and give them the tools that they need, they then go back to their classrooms and we have a ripple effect.
So for me, the joy is I come here and okay, I've got 34 teachers. But in my mind, I'm thinking that's 1,000 students they're gonna reach.
We estimate that over 8,000 students will be impacted by the 256 teachers who have come to Providence for this Pathfinders Winter Institute.
Now we're changing the needle.
Oh, look at that!
Can we get our buttons? Can we get buttons? Yes!
If you look at the industry nowadays, every new job is going to need some kind of understanding of computer science to do it well.
Computer science is important because it's preparing kids for jobs that haven't even been created yet.
And if we as teachers don't expose them to it, who will?
Yeah, things are difficult, but that means that we grow and get better. Perseverance is what makes us great. Perseverance makes us have epiphanies and reach, new goals that people have never imagined.
I didn't want to go to lunch. I wanted to continue to work on my robot.
So how do I feel? We are the most important career on this planet because we wouldn't be where we are without teachers in your life.
Teachers are unsung heroes.
We're going in here.
Hi. They are phenomenal people that do phenomenal things with very few resources.
On behalf of all mayors throughout the country, I want to thank you for the work that you do and your commitment to it. This is a relatively small investment that's paying dividends far, far, far beyond what we can quantify.
We need to be feeding them what they need.
If we don't do that, then I think we will fall behind very quickly.
This is critical. This is critical to their students and their students' futures.
So Pathfinders is intense.
It's building an incredible network across the country.
And it is amazing.
I'm in awe.
It's a breath of fresh air. Phenomenal.
Pathfinders is revolutionary.